Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to another evening here. I'm gonna try out a different camera setting right now. Let me know in the comments if this is better than the last time. I feel like last time it was a little bit weird to look. What is burning here, guys? What is burning here? It also stopped raining right now, and something is burning here. Mystic. This is how it looks right now. We just had a big Korean barbecue right now. Should we walk here or there? I think this is better. I'm actually not walking alone. I'm walking behind me. It's my whole gang. Look at this. I'm walking with a whole gang. Well, you know what? I was like, you know what? This is a great time to walk after the dinner and do another walk. And then I finished my 30 uploads in February. No, 28 uploads in February. That's why I had also every day an upload. So in March, we're gonna have one video a day again. Just normal. Do we go here, left and right? Oh, perfect. The beef station. Still no one inside. Yes, someone is inside. Let's ask Patrick how it is. Now we have someone inside. Hello. Salut. Now you're on my video, yeah. Ça va? Oh, my friend.
So long ago.
Have you eaten here more often?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, she's a friend of mine too, so
Is it good?
very good.
Okay, perfect.
Even Gunnar and Marcus, not your Marcus, but the other one.
How do you pronounce
Lily
Gunnar?
They,
All right.
love, they love it. Hey, how are you? Hey,
We're going on a walk at the moment. We are very full.
Yeah, I know.
All right.
Hey,
Good to see you. I'm gonna make a member meetup this month. In March. In March.
Super.
All right.
Anytime.
All right. Hello. All right. We gotta try it out. It's also a lovely member of mine. Hello. Hello. How are you, man? Now you're on a walking channel. Show me your best walk here. How do you like the weather right now?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't mind. I don't mind.
It's great.
nice, man.
I really like that it
Especially
rained
in
now.
the evening.
Yeah,
You can
now.
sleep better. Yeah.
It's not that hot.
Yeah.
All right. Have a good day.
All the best.
Bye
Have a
bye.
nice evening. All the
You too. The Salty Sea apartment. Dude, that looks good. There's probably gonna be a business down here. Or what do you think? It's very uncommon that it's just like that, empty. There's a parking lot right next to it. And this coffee shop is still open in the evening now. Do you think you can rent out parking here? And is this a bonsai tree? And if so, that's a huge one. So this is the atmosphere right after it rained. It's actually great air right now. Very nice. This is also a shortcut to the main area, the main tourist area. And this hotel was closed now, but now it's open again. Tayan Apartment Hotel. Or is it only apartments? I thought it's hotel as well. Because they also had a very interesting penthouse up there. Lots of you told me also about the penthouse. So you can book a penthouse up there with your own private pool. Very interesting, guys. We were at the other side of the bridge, the river, today and ate. And we drove through the downtown Da Nang, and it was very interesting. They had beautiful streets, very modern new streets and beautiful pavements. I will definitely go there and make a walking tour over there. It's beautiful. I think this might be the place to be in the future. Downtown Da Nang. There's no real apartments yet there, but I think in the future this will be the place. I still think that because they're gonna build so many new things there. And the roads are built for entertainment, you know? It's like, not like here. Here, those are old roads, old pavements, and then it grew like crazy. Like the whole tourist grew into this small space. And now you don't have any pavement you can walk. So you always have this stupid barricades, so you cannot walk on the pavement. And this is not the case in downtown. In downtown it's actually nice because they have very nice wide pavements, sidewalks, nice streets, everything modern and new. I'm gonna show it to you. I will make a nice walking tour over there. But there are not really good places yet. Like there are some sketchy karaoke places and things like that, and a beer bar, a beer garden. What is going on here? What? Dude, they went bankrupt. I think the coffee shop went bankrupt, guys. Dude, it's closed, right? They went bankrupt, right?
Yeah.
The chocolate place up there.
Yeah.
I think the chocolate selling is still there, but the coffee shop not.
So they rebuild it now.
Really? I'm wondering what's happening over there now. What are they gonna put in there? Maybe Marcus's place. So they just threw out the trash like that? It's so weird. It's so weird. There's glass there as well. Huh? So they just removed everything and left it. I mean, if this place is still open, that's pretty mad. Imagine that. I mean, if they are closed as well, okay. But imagine only upstairs is closed and they throw all the things there and you cannot go into your business. That's weird. If you want a Vietnam shirt, you can get it here. Or some partner look. This looks very creepy. There's also pharmacies everywhere, guys. You can get all kinds of stuff, even imported stuff here. But if you have some kind of serious health issues, you should always bring your tablets or medicine. Because usually you get everything, but just to be safe. And bring your prescriptions too. Yeah? Oh, Marcus is over there. It was a good barbecue, 329,000 dong. I paid for 7 people, drinks and food. It was $100 for 7 people. Or you can drink meat, beef, all kinds of stuff. Fried chicken also, and different Korean stuff items. It was good, good price with drinks, everything.
See, look at this. Now we have a picture
Solis,
of
yeah,
it.
yeah. Oh, that looks good. So it's gonna be a hotel, right?
It seems like.
Hotel or apartment building? We will see. If it's gonna be apartment building, it's gonna be beachfront apartment building because they're built high. That means you have the view to the beach, and you're very close. This might be one of the best locations here, guys. It's right next to the M Hotel, which is already one of the best locations. What are you doing, man?
It's
Wash your hands?
My hands, yes.
Wow. Okay.
The rain is for free. You
Oh,
know?
you're real from Hamburg, huh? You grew up with the rain. No
It's
one needs,
efficiency.
no one needs to use normal shower water. You
I
can
know
have the
people
rain.
who spit in the hands to clean it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I prefer the rain for it.
Oh, okay. Voilà, you can get some durian over here. Do you know the one steak style banh mi place is so viral on Instagram
Yes.
that people line up there for 1 hour?
It's
crazy.
True, but I saw the reel and I
Yeah.
can understand because they have the cheese is in a pot.
The cheese is in a pot, yeah.
Yes.
I think especially for all Americans, this is like a dream. Like having cheese, melted cheese in your banh mi. But for all people with lactose intolerance, they're gonna have the nightmare in a banh mi. Well, all good, man.
But unfortunately, the traffic lights is not working.
That's very weird. Usually they work at night. And here they finally put a barricade there, so people don't. I think they should make a pavement here. Make it a pavement here, because people will walk over the grass all the time anyways, because it's a direct way. So might as well just pave it. Beautiful. Very nice and cozy evening to walk on the beach, guys. Or in general everywhere. Especially after the rain. It rained in the last video. Now you see what's happening the same day. Guys, alright. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and see you on the next one.